Hi friends, today we are discussing about how to calculate safe man hours. Now, what is the term safe man hours? Safe man hours defines that the total hours that has been worked in an organization without any LTI or without any injury, it is called as safe man hours. Then how it is to be calculated? So the basic formula is number of workmen into total hours worked. That is the formula for safe man hours, calculating safe man hours. Safe man hours is equal to total number of workmen into total hours worked. For example, we take a case of 10 number of people working in an organization and per day they are working 8 hours. So what is the total safe man hours that they are being worked? So according to the formula, number of total number of workmen into total hour worked, that means 10 into 8 hour, that is 10 people into 8 hour, that is 80 hours. So that would be the safe man hours. Why Now we are taking another example. If an organization is working about 10 workmen and per day they are working about 8 hours, in what is the total man hours that has been worked for 30 days? So as we know that these man hours will be calculated among the monthly wise in all organization. So some organization they will follow in monthly or some organization they follow in quarterly, but almost the company or the organization they will follow in monthly, that is 30 days or 31 days. So we are taking one example for 10 workmen, they are working with per day 8 hours. What will be the total man hours per month, or we can say that per 30 hours? So one day they are working with 10 people into 8 hours, that is 80 hour. So the total man hours that is being worked for 30 days is called 80 into 30, that is 2400 hours. So once again I am telling, if an organization is working in with 10 people per day with 8 hours, what will be the cumulative man hours or the total man hours that we worked for 30 days? That is, we are calculating per day is 10 into 8, that is 80 hours. So while taking about 30 days, that is equal to per day we are taking 80 hours. So therefore 80 into 30 days, that is 2400 hours. So the monthly we got the safe man hour is 2400 hours. So next we are telling about why this organization is taking benefit of safe man hours, or we can say that some organization they will show as a prime to the organization, like they are completed 5 million safe man hours. Why it is been taken? Because the company, the organization is taken the precaution of safety in terms of people, and without any LTI or without any injury, without any accident or without any incident. So that is the main thing that has been shown to other companies. They are benchmark to the other companies that we are successfully completed 1 million or zero point 0.5 million or 2 million, because they are showing their proud to the other organization, or they are showing to the benchmark to the other organization. So that is the reason they are taking safe man hours to be the more value in their organization. I thought everybody understand, and thank you.